If you have a house in Grove City, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, then this video is for you. Maybe something else is happening in your life, potentially a divorce, a breakup. Maybe you inherited this property in Grove City, Ohio. Maybe it is a probate situation. Maybe the property needs work. Maybe you have a job loss or a job transfer. Maybe you need more space, so you're buying something bigger, or maybe you're downsizing. Whatever the case may be, we buy houses in Grove City, Ohio. We've been buying houses in Grove City, Ohio for over 14 years. And most importantly, when we buy your house in Grove City, Ohio, we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to haul anything away, and you don't even need to clean the property. We're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and we're very easy to work with. Since we are a cash buyer, you determine the timeline on when we close, and this is important, and it's often overlooked. So if you need to close quickly, we absolutely can make that happen, since we're not relying on approvals, we're not relying on inspections or appraisals. It's a true cash purchase, so if you need to move quickly, we can accommodate with that. Or if you need more of a flexible closing, we could accommodate that as well. In fact, with some homeowners that we work with, we'll actually buy the house and let the homeowner stay in the property for a small amount of time if they need help with the move and they need to actually collect the money from the sale to use for their move. We're very accommodating since we are a true cash buyer. We're buying your Grove City house in its as-is condition, so that means no extra added work to you, because the last thing you need if you're selling a house in Grove City, Ohio, is added stress, especially if you're dealing with something else in your life and now the house is causing you some type of pressure. Let us work with you. We'll understand your situation. We've worked with hundreds of homeowners across Ohio. You can see the testimonials on the YouTube channel or on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com, and we will be able to work with you on the sale of your Grove City house. So you pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or fill out a form on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's a very simple conversation. There's no pressure. There's no obligations. We're just going to get to know your timeline and get to know more about the property. And we're going to make you a cash offer on the property, a fair offer on the property, and we're going to show you how we came up with the offer. So there's no guessing games, there's no gimmicks or sales tactics. We're going to show you exactly how we're coming up with our numbers. If the offer works for you to purchase your Grove City house, great. We'll move forward. We'll get this thing going. We're going to communicate with you the entire time. You're going to know exactly where everything stands and exactly where we're at in the process the entire time throughout the transaction. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. We will shake hands and part as friends. Again, there's never any pressure and no obligations. So even if you're just thinking about selling your Grove City house at some point in the future, still give us a call so you can understand what your options are. People prefer to work with a cash buyer because you get certainty and you know exactly what's going on. Sometimes when you're relying on more of a traditional buyer who's using a bank to finance the purchase, now you got to jump through the hoops that they have to jump through to appease their lender. So there's inspections, there's appraisals, there's approvals needed. None of that is needed when you're selling the property to us in its as-is condition, and that's why Grove City homeowners for over 14 years love working with us. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy Grove City houses, we buy houses in Grove City, and we look forward to working with you.